Come on, baby. I want to see my little baby.
Okay. And I have seen that in the file.
Where's my little baby?
Okay.
Hi, baby. What you doing, little baby?
What you're asking me.
Little baby. Hi, Chonk.
Do you have
Hi, baby Chunks. Where's Leo? I don't know where he is. He's lost for sure. I've been looking and found no Leo, no Leo.
No, but I have.
No big D.
Well, I haven't.
Oh, Big D.
I do have them.
You're a very good boy, Big D.
I have a paper.
You're a very good boy, Big D. Oh, Chunks. Oh, Honks.
Is it raining, Chuck? You're wet. Oh, Chunky. My little honky. My little Chunky.
Big D. Oh, Big D. Oh, Big D. Oh, Big D. Big D. Oh, Big D. Oh, Big D. Oh, Chunks. Oh, Honks. Oh, Big D. Oh, Big D. Oh, Big D. Oh, Big D. Hey, Chuck, you miss Leo? Where's Leo?
What are you gonna do? Don't get in there. You don't need to get up in there. You want coffee? You want some coffee, Chunk? What are you doing? What are you doing? You trying to bust up stuff, Chunky? What are you trying to do? You're trying to bust it up? Wait, no. Don't do that. You're gonna knock that over. You go over there. What's the matter with you? You're Mr. Big Chunky. My little honky.